my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review. And right now, I'm not going to be reviewing Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice. You know that feeling when you call home to find out what's for dinner and it's kofte and you're like, yes! And you get home to find out that it's not malai kofte but ghiya or dudi as my Mumbai friends like to call it. Yeah, you think that's disappointing? Try Batman vs. Superman on for size. The makers of this film made sure, they ensured that Batman vs. Superman is the most talked about and one of the most anticipated movies of the year so far. What with Ben Affleck's casting as Batman, Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman, Jesse Eisenberg as Lex Luthor, the trailers, teasers, marketing campaigns, everything has been top-notch.
Tell me, do you bleed? You will.
Which makes one wonder, Zack Snyder को इतने पैसे कौन दे रहा है? Now, okay, I don't claim to be a comic book enthusiast. I'm not. And I understand that Zack Snyder loves his comic books and stays very, very close to the source material. But I do love cinema and superhero movies. And I'm a big fan of having a plotline and a story. Neither of which I found. None. Zero. I was Team Affleck for Batman. I was. But not so much anymore. He has a weird new Batmobile, a crazy heavy bat suit, which is stronger than Superman it seems, and his big iron shoes seem to have been welded at home by Alfred the Butler. Which they probably were, because the new Alfred is Michael Caine and Morgan Freeman rolled into one, caretaker and gadget maker. Kyun? Budget kam pad gaya tha Zack Snyder? But that's also perfectly fine. My question here is, why does Batman dream so much? There are way too many dream sequences. One horrific desert sequence where Batsy is doing what I can only describe as a painfully choreographed dance number, holding a gun in his hand, where all the bad guys in true Bollywood style come at him one by one, so he has enough time and ease to deal with all of them. And oh, Batman is like straight up killing people, throwing cars, shooting at random, stabbing people, sab kuch. Another sequence that appeared out of nowhere and went, well, nowhere, has Bruce Wayne getting one of his employees to partake in a fight club to get access to bad guys? I don't even know. Now I'm thinking, a movie this big would not have a random scene just like that. There has to be some reason, right? Fight Club, Brad Pitt, Ed Norton, Jared Leto, Suicide Squad, Joker, Gotham, Batman. Was Fight Club actually the Joker Begins? David Fincher made Fight Club, who also made Gone Girl, which had Ben Affleck, who's now Batman. Oh, back to our movie. Now, मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आया कि why does Batman want to kill Superman at all? He comes to Metropolis. He gets involved in the goings-on. He tries to steal from Lex Luthor. And yet he gets mad at Superman. क्यों? क्योंकि Man of Steel ने इतनी तोड़-फाड़ मचा रखी है. Oh, there's a highly abrupt mass sequence in here also, where someone gets kidnapped and someone has to do something to prevent another thing from happening. I bet that was the first draft of the film. Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman is so amazing in the 3.5 scenes that she gets. अच्छा खासा background music वगैरह सब चलाया था everything, but before you know it, the menfolk have saved the world. Amy Adams as Lois Lane, though, just stumbles along scene to scene and randomly appears and disappears from the narrative. Jesse Eisenberg is a scarily talented actor, but I have a feeling कि उसको पता चल गया है that he does the scary sociopath thing so beautifully, he's going to milk it as much as he can in every movie ever. Why are Batty and Soupy fighting? Who wins? Who loses? My brain lost. On a scale of 1 to 10, Batman vs. Superman Dawn of Justice is 1,000 pieces that my heart broke into and I'm now sweeping it up. ना हो पाएगा भैया. देखिए डॉन ऑफ जस्टिस में डॉन ऑफ जस्टिस तो हुई नहीं. डॉन भगलिया 11 मुल्कों के पुलिस उसे ढूंढ रही है. Why don't you subscribe in the meantime and get your film fix? हाँ.